When it rains here, it doesn't just stay on the site. Every drop that hits the ground can pick something up, sediment, trash, chemicals, and carry it off. And once it starts moving, it doesn't stop at the fence line. It goes straight into storm drains and eventually into our local waterways. A SWPPP, Stormwater Pollution Prevention Plan, is our game plan to keep stormwater clean on every construction site we work on. But don't think of it as just a binder sitting on a shelf collecting dust. It's a living document, one that's developed before construction ever begins, and continuously updated throughout the job to reflect what's actually happening out in the field. Those silt fences and fiber rolls you see around the site, those come directly from the SWPPP. Now that we know what a SWPPP is, let's look at what's actually inside it. It starts with a site map showing drainage patterns, where water flows and where it could pick up pollutants. From there, it establishes your risk level, which determines your permit requirements under the general permit. Then come the BMPs, your best management practices. That means erosion controls to keep soil in place, sediment controls like silt fence and fiber rolls to catch what moves, and good housekeeping practices to keep the site clean day to day. And finally, the SWPPP outlines your inspection and maintenance requirements. Because even the best plan only works if someone's checking that it is. We've talked about what the SWPPP is and what's inside it. But here's what it actually means for you out in the field every single day. This plan only works if we follow it. It doesn't matter how well it's written if we're not putting it into practice on the ground. Every single one of us plays a part in making it work. That means installing and maintaining your BMPs correctly. A silt fence that's been knocked down or a fiber roll that's been run over isn't doing its job and could put us out of compliance. It means keeping materials contained, so they never get a chance to reach a storm drain or leave our site. And it means reporting issues immediately. Don't wait until the next scheduled inspection to flag a problem. If you see something, say something. The SWPPP is only as good as the crew behind it, and that crew is you. Now you know what the SWPPP requires from you, so let's talk about what's at stake if we don't follow it. The consequences are serious. Unmanaged stormwater carries sediment and pollutants directly into local waterways, real damage to the communities we work in. From a regulatory standpoint, the construction general permit is clear. Violations mean fines. Serious violations can shut the project down completely. We have the roadmap. It's our responsibility to follow it. So as you head out on site, keep this in mind. If it can move, it can pollute. Sediment, materials, debris. Once stormwater gets moving, it takes everything with it. The SWPPP exists to prevent exactly that. So know the plan, follow the plan, and protect the site every day on every job.